Holistic nutrition and healing take a comprehensive approach to health and well-being, considering not only the food we consume but also the mind, body, and spirit. In this article, I will explore the principles of holistic nutrition and healing and their impact on overall health. Holistic nutrition is based on the belief that optimal health is achieved by addressing the individual as a whole. It considers the nutritional, emotional, physical, and even spiritual aspects of a person. A holistic nutrition approach encourages the consumption of whole, unprocessed foods, emphasizing their natural nutrients and healing properties. Healing techniques in holistic health often include practices like meditation, acupuncture, yoga, and mindfulness. These techniques promote balance and harmony within the body, helping to alleviate stress, improve mental health, and boost the body's natural healing abilities. I will share insights into how holistic nutrition can nourish the body and prevent illness. Additionally, I'll discuss the various healing techniques used in holistic practices and their effectiveness in promoting overall well-being. Holistic nutrition and healing have the potential to transform lives, bringing about a state of equilibrium that fosters good health and vitality. By embracing the principles of holistic health, individuals can experience improved physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being, ultimately leading to a higher quality of life.